The day I was surprised that I won Parish Student of the Year, I was very, very nervous at first because it was a Monday, and the Thursday before I had had my interview for being a finalist. I was like on my toes the whole time. I was in my physics class, and then the door opens and I see Dr. Gray and my principal, Miss Stanton, and my mom. I was like, oh my goodness, I don't think they would do this for me if I lost. And they announced that I had won Student of the Year for the parish, and I was elated, to say the least. I think I was chosen as Student of the Year because of my commitment to what I do. I put my full heart and soul into everything, whether that's my schoolwork or my extracurriculars, my music, or my community service. I'm truly passionate about everything I do, and I think that's a good representation of Jefferson Parish Schools.
Sophia is an amazing student. She has the ability to balance her schoolwork, her music, her community service, and at the same time you'll see her showing up on the front row at a football game. And she's still just a regular kid. And I don't think that anyone could be more proud of her than her Thomas Jefferson family.
Student of the Year for the parish was such a big accomplishment for me, but it's definitely not one that I could have done alone. I have to thank my mom and my family for supporting me, and then I obviously have to thank my wonderful principal, the parish officials I've gotten to work with, like Dr. Gray and Mr. Maine Gilson, and other people I've gotten to work with through the Superintendent's Student Leadership Council. I serve on the council. I get to work with students from all over the parish, and I'm really grateful that I get to learn from these people. I've been in a lot of different schools in my life. I've been in public schools, I've been in private schools, I've been in charter schools, and I've been in schools outside of the country. And without a doubt, Jefferson Parish Schools has offered me the best education. The teachers that I've worked with have not just taught me, but helped me really engage with the curriculum, really helped me get involved. And that has allowed me to work harder and just be a better student and be a better person.